Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Akwaba. Midin de Deborah. My name is Deborah and welcome back to another 3-2-1 video in which I give you words, phrases and short sentences that I feel will be helpful when traveling to Ghana. Before we get into today's video, you already know what time it is. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section if you enjoy these types of videos and would like to see more. I also want to say a huge thank you to all those that have donated to my MissGoldTwi PayPal. It really means a lot that you value my content enough to invest. Right, let's get into today's video. So today's translation is, I am looking or searching for. And how you'd say that in Twi is, me shushe, me shushe, me shushe. The H and the W makes a sh sound, like for shoe or shape. Me shushe, me shushe. Let's break it down. So me is for me, my, or I, and shushe is to look or search. Look, looking, search, searching. Let's say it together. Me shushe. And again, me shushe. And one last time, me shushe. Now let's add some things that we could potentially be looking or searching for. The first one I have here is shoes. Empabwa. Empabwa. Shoes. Empabwa. Mepachel, please. Me shushe empabwa. Mepachel, please. Me shushe empabwa. So this is for when you walk into a store and you're saying, I'm looking for shoes. However, let's say you misplaced your shoes at home and you're searching for them. It would be me shushe mempabwa. My shoes. I am looking for my shoes. Me shushe mempabwa. Me shushe mempabwa. Mepachel. Me shushe mempabwa. Me shushe Wafaa yao. Me shushe Wafaa yao. Wafaa is the Twi for uncle. Wafaa. Wafaa. The backwards C makes an O sound. O, not O. So it's not Wafaa. It's Wafaa. Wafaa. Yao. Yao is the name given to a male born on Thursday. Mepachel. Me shushe Wafaa yao. Mepachel. Me shushe Wafaa yao. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys on my next video. Test yourself. Empabwa. Empabwa. Wafaa. Wafaa. What is the name given to a male born on Thursday? Wompabwa ne frihi.